This video is going to be how to draw a soccer ball using lines and shapes. So with this soccer ball, you are going to need either a lid or a small cup like this, or if you have a stencil that makes circles, we're going to use a stencil. If you don't, you can freehand, but circles are kind of hard to do, so I use a stencil. Or, like I said, you can use the edge of the cup. So I'm going to place my stencil right in the middle of the paper, and I'm going to draw a circle right in the middle of the paper. So again, you either have a stencil maker that has circles, or you can use a lid or a cup of some sort and use the edge and trace it around the edge. The next step, after you do your circle in the middle of the paper, you're going to do an upside down letter V right in the middle. Just like that. Make it a wide letter V upside down. Okay, from this point of the V, I'm going to not go straight down. I'm going to go in just a little bit, just like that. Same on this side. I'm not going to go straight down. I'm going to go in just a little bit. And then I'm going to close off this shape with a straight line going across. Okay, so with your pencil or your color pencil, we're going to color this shape in black. Now I'm using a Sharpie just so you can see the lines that I'm drawing. But most of you should be using a pencil. You have to draw very light, barely touching your paper, so if you make a mistake, your lines go away. Okay, the next step, I'm going to draw a straight line going up, just like that. Don't go all the way to the top of the circle, stop a little bit halfway in. Then I'm going to make a letter V, a wide letter V, like that. Stop, don't go all the way to the edge of the circle. And then I'm going to go in right here just a little bit, in a diagonal line just right here. Color this shape in. Again, I'm using a Sharpie just so you can see the lines that I'm drawing, but if you're using a pencil, color it in gray, or you can get your color pencil black and color that shape in. The next step, from this point, I'm going to go out, stop before you get to the circle. The same with this point. I'm going to go out diagonal, stop before you get to the circle. Let's go ahead and do the rest of them. This point, stop before you get to the circle, and then go in this direction, stop before you get to the circle. Okay, this way I'm going to do a letter V, make sure it's wide, and then I'm going to go in just a little bit, in just a little bit, color this shape in, shade it in with your pencil. Okay, this one I'm going to make a V, and I'm going to go in just a little bit. Now this doesn't have much room, but that's okay. I went in just a little bit, and then this one goes in just a little bit too. So some of these you might not have enough room to go in just a little bit, and that's fine. Alright, this side, we'll do the wide letter V, go in, color that shape. Here we go here, letter V. Now this one I don't have any room to go in just a little bit, so I'm just going to do the wide letter V and color it in, and it is okay that I don't have enough room, because this is going to look like a three-dimensional soccer ball where we connect the lines like this from this point to this point, connect this point to this point, this point to this point. This one I cannot connect because it's right there on the edge, so I will connect to the edge of that point. And then this one doesn't have the edge either, so I will just, it runs out, and that is fine, because now it looks like a three-dimensional soccer ball. Add some green grass at the bottom once you start coloring it in, and there is your soccer ball using just shapes and lines.